A frantic rescue effort continues in the Atlantic this morning for a missing submarine with Titanic wreckage tourists on board. A growing international search team now in the air, on the surface, and under the water. And new overnight, the Coast Guard says underwater noises were detected during their search. Wake Up Charlotte's Jay Gray now in Boston with those new details.
Good morning, Ben. The control and command center for this massive search and rescue mission is being run out of the Coast Guard office here in Boston, directing teams that are dealing with treacherous conditions, incredible logistical challenges, and now with time running short. Additional planes, ships, specialized equipment, and rescue teams from around the world right now rushing into a 7,600 square mile search zone in the Atlantic, an area larger than the state of Connecticut.
What I can tell you is there is a full court press effort to get equipment on scene as quickly as we can.
The mission, unlike any before, and pushing into deeper water using sonar and an underwater drone. But to this point, there's been no sign of the OceanGate submersible, missing since Sunday morning, less than 2 hours after beginning a tourist expedition to explore wreckage from the Titanic with 5 men inside. The pilot and OceanGate founder and CEO Stockton Rush, British businessman Shahazda Dawood and his son Suleiman, French diver Paul-Henri Nargeolet, and billionaire adventurer Hamish Harding.
The text I got was, "Hey, we're headed down to Titanic today!" !
That text from Harding to his friend and former astronaut Terry Virts just before the journey began.
I would assume they're stuck on the bottom in the mud or somehow entangled in Titanic. It's a search and rescue mission. So first of all, they have to find them.
An effort that continues around the clock. It's a clock rescue teams are keenly aware of, with estimates around 24 hours of oxygen now remains inside the sub. In Boston, Jay Gray, Wake Up Charlotte.